This is the productivity trap, a culture where being busy starts to feel like being good. At first, productivity is useful. It helps you build, solve, and move forward. You stop asking, "Did I live well today?" You start asking, "Did I do enough today?" That question has no finish line. Always another task.
Always another version of yourself to improve.
If you are not moving, the brain asks, "What are we falling behind on?"
That is why rest can feel unsafe.
Not because rest is wrong, because your nervous system has learned to equate output with safety.
When you produce, you feel briefly protected.
When you stop, the shield disappears. So you chase another task just to feel okay again. Your focus is tracked. Even recovery becomes another performance category. Now rest has to be optimized before it is allowed. That is how recovery turns into another task.
You take breaks only if they can justify more output later.
That is not rest. That is productivity wearing a softer costume. You cannot check it off the same way.
You cannot post a simple metric for being restored. And that makes rest feel suspicious in a measurement-obsessed culture. But the body does not recover because it was justified.
It recovers because it was given space.
The guilt comes from confusing worth with usefulness. If you believe you are valuable only when useful, rest feels like disappearance.
rewards availability. So rest becomes something you hide.
Or something you apologize for.
But a life with no real rest does not become more productive. It becomes brittle.
Burnout is not proof that you worked hard enough.
It is proof that the system kept withdrawing without depositing. And some deposits have to be useless on purpose.
Read something without turning it into self-improvement.
The rule says, I am allowed to stop only after everything is done. But everything is never done. So rest cannot depend on completion. It has to depend on being human. That is the exit from the productivity trap. Rest is not a reward for being useful.